everyone. Today we're planning with Georgi cook meat in our terrace. That's why we meet with Georgi in Lenders, and he will choose meat what he want. We will cook in our terrace. He will go to our home today. Hi Georgi.
Hi.
You already choose what kind of meat?
I think
Australian beef. Australian beef. Cheese parmesan. How many grams here?
250.
250 grams. Price is 420 peso. Before we already bought wine
Yes.
and oil.
Yes. Coconut oil.
Coconut oil, yeah. Very good weather today. In the Philippines always very good weather. Even have rain also very good weather. Landers. Okay, we're going to straight to home.
Hi everyone, we're here already in home and like Georgi cook right now some meat or like barbecue.
Georgi know how to cook.
No, I don't. I
Never cooked before.
cooked before, but not Australian.
Ah, Australian
And I need to buy it with
hammer.
hammer.
I don't have hammer.
Okay. Take a try.
Windy in our place. It was wind. Before we bought this coconut oil named Bagila in Lenders.
Australian beef, coconut oil.
So we just sit here and we will try the meat,
Australian beef.
Australian beef. But I cooked before pancit canton. It's popular here in the Philippines.
I like this. Medium rare. Yes, medium rare.
Also we bought wine. Also in Lenders. Cheese. It's for us with Shire because we not eat so many meat. For us, for you and for me, Shire.
So I will try.
Georgi, maybe you want noodles? Pancit canton? Or for you also only meat and cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Wine. Pepper.
Mm-hmm.
Good meat, Shire.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Soft? You want wine?
I drink.
Coffee you want only?
No. It's Milo. Chocolate.
Chocolate. So wine you don't like? Okay.
Hi guys, right now we're going to show to you the Fiesta community here near our place, and I will show to you what's the road here, and I will not recommend the place also.
So traffic always on this road.
Yes, this is our road, and the other side already straight here. It's already the Fiesta community, and all from Dao and from Fiesta community use this road. That's why for us it's not good because it's so noisy every night, every morning it's so noisy, so traffic. Even we cannot even another tricycle driver who live here in the Camachiles cannot turn already.
Okay, we can walk to Fiesta community, okay? Georgi, let's go. We show to you.
Okay.
This is road, it's not so far, so wide. And always so noisy, even nighttime. Not easy. Not easy to sleep, Shaira, yes?
So I have so many relatives also here in this road. Most of our relatives here. So government give this land to all from people who near in the volcano.
Pinatubo.
Yes. So they give this land because it's empty before. It's like so many grass, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So they give this land and the papers also for all people who been in eruption.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
After that, they stay already here. It's my cousin.
We already entrance to Fiesta community. Oh, it's Carabao.
I've been there before.
Where?
There inside.
Ah, inside.
Yes, it's so good.
Okay. So this is already Fiesta community.
Uh,
This is Mabalacat. Mabalacat Camachiles, Barangay.
this one, if you already enter here, it's already Dao.
This is place already Dao.
If you enter here, it's already Mabalacat.
So this place is Mabalacat Camachiles, and here we already already in Dao.
Dao, it's already Dao.
Mhm. So most of the cars going from the Dao through this road.
Yes.
What's why traffic always?
Dao, they go here, they use this road, that's why it's always noisy. It's not good already before, it's okay, but it's not noisy. Before they build here, this community is so good, but it's not noisy, not comfortable already for living here, this road.
Mhm.
But our capitan already do some, what is this? Do some gate here.
Mhm. So they won't close.
Yes, they will close it until 8 o'clock in the evening until morning 6 a.m.
Mhm.
So 7 a.m. they only open it.
Okay. So this they build these houses, Fiesta.
Before, this place is from here.
Mhm.
They just only change. This is far before, and it's like empty road. If you exit already there, the other side, if you straight there, it's
Mhm.
already Dao more.
Dao. Mhm. Like village here. Dogs, chicken also. Hi?
Vegetables,
Mm-hmm.
onions, garlic.
Why sale?
They plant and they sell to market, big market, public market.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes we always bought some, what is this? Bought some vegetable here. For
So-
10 pesos, 20
Uh-huh.
pesos.
So not expensive.
Not expensive.
Not need go to the market because it's cheaper here.
Yes. But sometimes after example, they already harvesting right now, they will give you more.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
This car go to also to Fiesta through our barangay. Fiesta Community DAO. I already take video before here. Community DAO. This is gate. Hi. Yeah, I just want to see. So who go inside, who live inside, need to like pass. Need sticker. Mm-hmm. Hi? Show me what is.
Fruit.
It's fruit?
Berry.
Uh,
Oh, this is berry. You can try.
no, I don't want.
It's sour little.
No, it's just raw, not clean. I don't want. Dirty.
Justin po, layo.
Okay, not need.
Okay, why? I-bless ko po.
Okay, bless.
Bless ko po.
Georgi, bless. You know how to bless in the Philippines? How? You know? Huh? Okay, Shaira, show. Shaira, show. This need to bless like this. Like this, yeah.
The other one.
Georgi, bless also.
Hi po. Bye.
Show Shaira how. Yeah, like this.
My grandma also.
Another grand.
Bless. Thank you. Bless.
How need like this? Okay. Another one. Bless.
Ano ka po? Mag-church.
So you know traditional in the Philippines, yes?
Okay po po.
First time, Georgi? Bless.
Yeah po. Meron niya po.
Like this? Yes.
Yes.
Meron niya po. Ha? Ano po? Oh, may another grandma. It's already not good. That's why my grandma wants to go to San Joaquin.
Mm-hmm.
Take a look. Maybe next day or another day. It's already gone.
Mm-hmm.
It's her grandma. It's my grandma stuff.
Mm-hmm. Barangay install LED with solar. Also from Fiesta car. No traffic always because it's not white road.
Try this one. Berry.
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 You can try. I eat before, but I don't want because dirty maybe
No, it's
from the
berry.
road.
No, it's berry. You have blackberry.
Sweet, Georgi?
Sour.
Not?
Sour. But it's berry. You know the bigger berry up there. So many. Good.
Now the house built.
Sour.
It's also Shira family members.
Raspberry.
Oh.
This one.
Black Butte. Black Butte.
Berry. Another, you're gonna try the other fruits also here. Now we're gonna so thin.
Who?
Thin.
Who? Girl? It's your friend? She live here, ne? I know her. Same you, buddy. It's our house, this one. Shira, are you hungry? Why you want to bury again? Georgi, how you try? How taste good?
Yes, this is sweet.
Where?
This one. You can take.
No, I not red, Shira.
Have red, but I cannot already take.
It's Shira house before. Before I built second floor, she lived before here in Visa's first floor. Shira, explain.
This is my house, but it's good before, and then we rebuild it with Leon. And after that, it's not finished yet, so maybe March or April after we visit Thailand, we will gonna
Renovation? Renovation your house soon. That's why now it's not good looking, but later we want to put some hollow blocks here, maybe close, or I don't know what we want. And I park car here. But its road is not so wide. I explained to my subscriber, it's a road not so wide and many cars go into Fiesta community. And they build so many houses. Yes, so always road busy. That's why people who live here don't like if this road is open, yes? But what Barangay captain want to close or not?
No, this is not barangay road. This is open road.
This road is not for barangay, not barangay road.
Open road now because this one not private.
Not private road. For barangay, anyone can drive.
Yes, public road.
Mhm.
This one.
But people who live in this place,
Yes, because,
they don't like.
Before they not open that one gate.
Mhm.
Only up to now this time they have no car.
Mhm.
Now open that one.
But they not planning to close. Put gate.
They put gate.
They put gate.
Yes, gate.
Okay.
They have hour to close.
Mhm.
They have limit hour.
Limit hour.
Yes.
Because I think better they put only one way. Because it's not easy to drive always.
No, because they have if this one way, because they have die
Mhm.
people here.
No, if not die, if open, they can open for one way.
Open that one.
Mhm.
Now close.
Mhm.
If go cemetery, now they open the road.
Okay.
Later they open Sunday or Monday.
Mhm. Okay. Oh, what do it, Georgi? Georgi interesting about
Benefits. You can take benefits.